Can you say hydration? Don't be like Lex, okay? Just don't. Just always read the pack of products before you use them. A nice little glow going on. That ain't no highlight, girl. That's me. That's me. So me YouTube channel shout out this video is going to have to be GINI because she's so freaking amazing. She literally knows so much about makeup, even though she claims to not be a professional and this and that. And she has so many subscription boxes. Like, she plays around with so much makeup. Like, it's ridiculous. She knows a lot, and she does like massive amounts of giveaways, guys. So you're gonna want to check her out. She's awesome. My Instagram shout out is gonna have to be Sha, because why not? Sha is more like the question. Like, look at this woman, and she follows me, and she's so active on my Instagram. Like, girl, what? I feel like I know a famous person. Guys, so let's dive in all honesty, and you're gonna see my makeup over here because I got a really casual setup today. I'm on my bed like a normal. That's not normal. Well, I'm gonna do my makeup on my bed today because that's how I'm feeling. So I must say that these blenders from HYE High Blue Beauty, however you say the name exactly, they've given me the most natural blend in my foundation that I've ever come across. I'm telling you, dude, these little things pack a punch, man. And you don't have to wet them before application. You just go in, and you can get all those little crevices that you can never reach. That's why I love these little guys, dude. I just started using them, and I'll have I have a link for them down below in my description. Down below. Dude, I'm telling you, they give me the best blend ever. No, what it is, they just like get every little crevice, dude. I'm telling you. It blows my mind how they get every little crevice. My eyebrows is on fleek today, though. Okay, I see you, Lex. I see you. You took a little extra time on them brows. I'm telling you, the blend on these guys, man. Every freaking crevice. Y'all thought I was over exaggerating, but no, I'm very well not. Already defined my eyebrows and stuff around them, but I still haven't gotten a concealer, so just relishing in this non-concealed brow situation. I miss my concealed brows, but when you know how to apply brows, it's not that bad, but like still. Y'all know I love that crispy eyebrow, you know what I'm saying? my forehead being extra difficult today. I didn't have enough for it. My 6 head, you know what I'm saying? Got a nice little 6 head going on. Don't judge me, y'all. Do not judge me. I was born this way. Man, I just need a concealer. Like, this is getting ridiculous. Ooh, and my new It Works skincare is taking care of this skin, boo. I know y'all see how radiant I am. Ooh. Like, my skin's starting to come to life. Y'all just don't know. Got a nice little glow going on. That ain't no highlight, girl. That's me. That's me. Oh! Ah! Please ignore me, y'all. I'm just hyped because normally my skin is just horrible. But I really have been taking the time to actually like do and have a routine skincare every day. And low-key, the It Works skincare is really working wonders for me. And I have acne-prone combination skin, like oily as hell, like right here and right here. And then I get dry, like over here, and like sometimes here and up here. Combination at its finest. But do y'all see this blend? Would y'all think I have foundation on? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So these are a yes from me. Yes. I've already just started using them. They're already in my daily cabaret of makeup stuff. So HYE Beauty, you got that. You got that from me. Okay? You got that. It's most definitely a yes. This is honestly the best blending tool I've ever used for foundation in my life. I can't wait to use it like with the concealer, because like I'll be able to get like, I'll probably have one for concealer, one for foundation. Like I can get that right here, that little, ooh, that highlight that you can never perfectly get with a normal beauty blender because they're so big. I can see it now. I'm too excited. Y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. And this is without me even knowing. They're like super soft, so like, and they feel moist even though like I told you don't even have to wet them. I'm now looking on the back. Okay, sorry y'all. Oh my god. That like ruined one of my nails. No, HY Beauty, that was not it. That was not it though. I just scrape off the back so I could read the rest of the stuff. But this is without me even reading it first, because don't be like okay, just don't. Just always read the back of products before you use them. I just dove right in because I figured, well, I know how to use a makeup sponge, but read the backs of everything. Okay, so Hi Beauty's non-wet makeup sponge. You know how I told you like, oh my god, it's moist, like it feels like I don't even have to wet it. Well, you don't. It's that it right here. It's that it right here. Our non-wet sponge is designed to ensure that your makeup formula stays on your face while keeping bacteria away. That's our promise. Simply apply your foundation onto the sponge without water and then gently rub the product on your face. Daytime glow, pink sponge. I was right without even knowing it. This is the one you're supposed to use in the daytime. Achieve radiant skin that glows from within. With the help of Daytime Glow, you can easily apply your foundation from the weightless touch of this sponge. Leave your skin feeling light and luminous. Leave your skin feeling light and luminous all day long with Daytime Glow. Okay. Nighttime Drama, which is this bad boy right here. Stand out with a face so soft yet so seductive. For a full facial coverage, apply your foundation with our Nighttime Drama sponge to get skin that looks as smooth as porcelain. Be alluring with skin that makes you the star of the night with Nighttime Drama. That sounds like some drama, okay? But overall, I am seriously happy, you guys. Like, I literally can't even tell that I have freaking foundation on, like, just by looking at my skin. Yes, I know my shade's a little off, just a smidge. Just a smidge. Because I'm in between transitioning shades. Like, I literally can't even tell. Like, I literally can't even tell that I have freaking foundation on. That is wild to me. That is wild to me. Ooh, okay. So yeah, I'd give them a freaking 10 out of 10. These are gonna be a part of my daily makeup routine. I'm most definitely switching to this brand for my makeup sponges. No more cheapy makeup sponges for me or beauty blenders. That's just that, because you see this? You see this? You see this? You see this, right? Yeah, I know you see this. Ooh, y'all, I really gotta take the time out of my day to brag about a product that I just started using in my skincare routine, because I'm noticing some serious glow going on. Let me tell you, I haven't even applied a highlighter yet. I'm just saying. That's just my natural moisturized glow that I got. It's not even oily either. It's just a glow. So you guys must have saw me unbox. Well, not even unbox, but just like announce that I got my products in. So I've been using this It Works Radiance for like a month now. Month maybe, a couple weeks. I think it still lasts me. This little bottle is still going strong. But I have seen such significant change in my skin, like moisturization wise, just glow wise, overall healthy look wise. Like, all I have on is some eyebrows and some contour and some bronzer. Dude, like, the glow. I've never seen my skin like be like this. Like, my skin has always been ugly, and my pores, like, I've always had insanely huge pores, and like they're still not like the smallest, but like you can see like they're starting to like really just duck off. I'm hyped. So a few things about this product so you can know some gist about it. So it contains hyaluronic acid in it, which, if you don't know, holds 1,000 times of its weight in the water. Can you say hydration? Cause I can. It also helps soothe even dry, damaged, irritated skin because it has aloe, chamomile, and witch hazel. Which, if you don't know, very good ingredients for the skin. It also has vitamin B5, which makes your skin softer, while the witch hazel is helping to restore like your pH balance in your skin. And like I said, like it's really toned down my pores and like tightened it like it says that it should. I'm flabbergasted, guys, because I've gone through so many different types of skin stuff. And this little guy right here is only one of the many skincare products that I'm gonna be using from It Works. So you guys are gonna see my journey, especially because only one was able to solve a lot of problems in my skin. I can only imagine how great my skin's gonna be after I try more of them. So I'll keep y'all updated, but I just had to let y'all know because that was just, it's crazy. Like literally, like I have no highlighter on right now and my skin's just naturally just glowing. Okay, well, that's all, folks. It's been real. Thanks for watching so much, guys. I love you. You're thebomb.com. I know my hair's not done. I gotta do it, which I'm going to. But you're probably gonna see like 2 or 3 more videos of me in this exact outfit. Probably at some point my hair is gonna be done because I'm going to go through all these products and review all of these new products for you guys that I just got. There's gonna be some lashes in there and some glosses and just some fun stuff. Oh, I got this really cool highlighter, so stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot, and I hope you guys don't get tired of this flannel that I'm in. But thank you so much, guys, for tuning back in. I love you. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Yeah.